Hi, Ashutosh this side, and welcome to this video in which I'm going to show you a front-end project which is basically an alarm clock as you all can see over here. This project is required for Coding Ninja's Career Camp front-end module. So the code goes like this, in which I have four files. Obviously, the first one is index.html, then I have CSS file, then I have two JavaScript files for two different functionalities. Over here, this file is for rotation of the hands, this, and the second file is for the functionality of the alarm. Let's discuss the code. In body tag of index.html, the first div having class clock is for the analog type. Let me show here the analog type clock. Coming over to our CSS file, uh, यहाँ पर हमने सारे डिज़ाइंस को कोड कर रखा है. फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे कि हमारा ये आवर हैंड, मिनट हैंड एंड बाकी सारे बटन्स के डिज़ाइन भी यहीं पर कोडेड है. फॉर एग्जांपल आप ये हमारा अलार्म बटन देख लीजिए, इसमें सारे हमने डिज़ाइन एलिमेंट्स जो हैं वो कोड कर रखे हैं. Coming over to our alarm clock.js file, in here we got only one function, rotate clock hand. In this function we have some mathematical formulas. Basically, for each hand we have a formula. For example, here it's for hour, minute, and similarly for second hand. This is used to calculate that how much degree we have to rotate the hands, and then we use style.transform to make it visible on the screen. Okay, coming over to our last file, alarm.js. In here we have numerous functions. Let's start with set alarm function. As the name suggesting, it is used for setting the alarm. Here all the input provided by the user is used to set the alarm. For example, similarly, we got different functions such as cancel alarm, which is used to cancel the alarm. Init alarm, this function plays the audio whenever the alarm get invoked. And stop alarm function, as the name suggesting, this function is here to stop the alarm. And the last function snooze, it simply extends the timer of the alarm by 5 minutes. At last, let's check our codes work or not. तो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. चलिए हम अलार्म लगा कर देखते हैं जस्ट 1 मिनट बाद का. यह हमारा सेट अलार्म बटन है, जिससे इफ यू प्रेस दिस द अलार्म विल बी सेट फॉर द टाइम दैट इज शोइंग ओवर हियर. That's set. And here the cancel alarm, if we press this the alarm will get cancelled. Let's press and let's again set the alarm and just wait to see if it works or not. So yeah, it's working properly. Let's stop the alarm. Yeah, thank you.